In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Salesforce developer account. By the end, you'll have a free Salesforce Developer Edition org ready to explore features, build apps, and practice safely without touching any production data. This environment includes most platform capabilities, sample apps, and enough resources to learn, test, and prototype. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Developer Account Salesforce. That exact phrase will surface Salesforce's official sign-up options, which is the most reliable path. On the results page, look for the result that mentions Step 1, Sign up for Salesforce Developer Edition, or a link that clearly points to Salesforce's developer sign-up. Click it to continue. From there, follow the link that takes you to the official Developer Edition sign-up page. You'll see a simple registration form. Fill in your first and last name, your email address, and basic company details. Use an email you can access right now because an activation message will be sent there. You'll also provide a unique username in the form of an email address. This doesn't need to be the same as your real email, but it must be unique across Salesforce. If the username you choose is already in use, add a number or adjust the domain to make it unique. Select your country or region from the drop-down so Salesforce can localize your experience and satisfy regional requirements. Review the terms and check the agreement box. If you see a verification prompt, complete it. Before you move on, scan your entries for typos, especially your email address. A small mistake here can prevent the activation email from arriving, and it's much easier to correct it now. Click Sign Me Up to submit the form. Next, open your email inbox and look for a message from Salesforce welcoming you to Developer Edition. This email includes your username and a secure activation link. Open the message, click the link, and you'll be guided to set a password and choose a security question. Create a strong, unique password and store it in a trusted password manager. Keep your username handy, you'll use it every time you log in. If the message doesn't arrive within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folder and then request another activation email from the sign up page if needed. Once your credentials are set, navigate to login.salesforce.com. Enter your username and password, then click Log In. If it's your first time signing in on this device or browser, Salesforce may ask you to verify your identity by sending a one-time code to your email. Complete that quick check to continue. If you ever forget your password, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it securely. After you log in, you'll land on the Salesforce Developer Edition homepage. This is your safe, isolated playground where you can experiment freely. Look for the area that references Developer Edition to confirm you're in your developer org. Then open the welcome page titled Welcome to your Salesforce Developer Edition. This page highlights helpful starter resources and sample applications to get you up to speed quickly. It's a great place to find guided paths and links that explain core features. To begin exploring, click the App Launcher, the grid icon in the upper left corner. The App Launcher lets you switch between standard apps like Sales and Service, as well as any custom apps you build. From here, you can also open Setup to configure objects and fields, adjust permissions, and explore tools like Lightning App Builder and Flow for automation. That's it. You've created, activated, and signed in to your Salesforce Developer Edition. Keep your credentials secure, bookmark login.salesforce.com for quick access, and revisit the welcome page whenever you need guidance. In upcoming sessions, we'll use this developer org to customize data models, automate processes, and build Lightning apps step by step. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Salesforce.